guys! Today is another unboxing day. So, i-unbox natin yung co-ords na nabili ko dito sa TikTok. And napakamura lang na to kasi bihira lang yung ganitong price. Nasa 300 plus. Tapos, dalawa na. And yung tela niya, maganda. Ooh, okay. The quality is really good already. I see the type of cloth. Mayroon siya. Parang mukhang maganda. Mukhang maganda. I-open natin. Sana kasha. Magkasha. Always na lang dili kasha sa ako. Napunta na po ni Jojo. Umiinday dito. Pagpuan. Dili kasha. So, uy, ang ganda. Ayan. Ganito pala siya. Hala, cute. Cute. Tapos yung kanyang shorts is parang, ano pala, skirt. Ayan yung skirt niya. Hello, cute! I-try ko to. Later na, on the next video. Pero, the tela is really good as you can see. Ayan, yung quality is really nice. And then, yes, super, super cute. Ganda. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng quality. Super nice.